Most basic business apps were not designed for daily needs of an entire plumbing company. A plumbing business may handle a small drainage clearing in the morning and then a major sewer or water line replacement in the afternoon. Those jobs need different estimates, materials, schedules, and follow-ups. QuoteIQ's option estimates lets you show good, better, and best choices all within that same proposal. For example, you could show a small repair, a large upgrade, and a full replacement. The customer can then choose a level of work that fits their need and their budget. QuoteIQ also includes MapMeasure Pro. This is a tool that uses satellite and street view images to help you review a property before you even drive out to the job. Behind the estimate, QuoteIQ helps manage the rest of the business. Inventory tools can track values, fittings, wax rings, P-traps, water heaters, and other supplies across the truck and your shop. Pipeline CRMs track larger opportunities like sewer work, water heater replacements, and repipe estimates. Job costing will then show the actual labor and material costs connected within each job. QuoteIQ was created by Mike Medan and Justin Rogers, and both of them ran home service businesses before building this platform. That experience helped shape the software around the way that contractors actually work within the field. And QuoteIQ includes AI tools on every single plan. AI before and after images can help your customer picture a complete version of your work. Electronic signatures also help customers approve estimates on the spot. Contract attachments keep warranties, the project scope, and the material details all connected to each job. Together, these tools can make a one-person plumbing company look organized and professional from the very beginning.